So Vinny is stuck up there. If George touches his box, no! He's so mad. One way to get him unstuck is to literally touch his box, and he discovered a new box because a new package came. He's so mad.
That's the dance of like the winter dance.
We just got this package. He's so mad.
Somebody's coming behind you.
Uh-oh,
My
Rocky.
bodyguard. Yo, Rocky, take care of it.
No, Vinny will totally take care of Rocky. I have all bets on this guy right here. Where are you going? You better run, George. You better run, because this guy... Oh my God, he's so cute.
Oh my God, you can lift a piece of paper and raise it up and bring it down.
Stop threatening him. Vinny!
Oh my God, that shows power.
Yeah, I saw you run. I saw you
Listen,
run.
I got close. You saw that Matrix style like run right there? I literally saw his beak this close to my arm.
If we review it back, it's probably just you running up like a pansy.
No, I saw him so close. I know for sure. I was running my head back.
Vinny? He's so mad. Vinny, look, we left your favorite box.
I was wondering why that box is all open.
He's mad because this box is like, there you go.
It's like, why is that box open?
I dare you to come touch the box.
No.
Neo's throwing a tantrum in the back. Hey guys, I thought I would just show you like a Sunday. Okay? Literally. Unedited. Oh, you... I finally got you on camera doing that. What about you? And then we have Jersey over here. Yes. It's too hot for her sweater. Don't be alarmed for those of you just watching. She's just got anxiety. And he's cheering because if Rocky moves at all, he gets excited. This is me trying to edit a video. Vinny is up there. He's about to do another dive bomb. Woo! Hello, baby! Let me just show you what nutcases these guys are. Are you a nutcase? Now, for those of you interested in bird behavior, he's up there because he's literally getting a bird's eye view of his boxes because he wants to dive bomb them again.
Should we do it again?
We put George over there, and then Vinny loves to dive bomb at him.
He's gonna kill me.
He's gonna kill you. And Cody's up. He's gonna
Where you going, buddy?
He's gonna come out of nowhere. No, he's gonna come out of nowhere. Stop, I'm scared. Oh, I'm literally gonna hide. I'm gonna hide in the bathroom. You should actually hide in the bathroom. Cody's laughing.
Come here. That's too dangerous.
Yeah, he says.
Ready?
He says, yeah, he likes this game, by the way. I accidentally pressed the off button when I was turning the camera, but here's Vinny. He's doing his gangsta lean. I think he's looking for you, George. Okay, no, actually, he's coming. Cody's on my shoulder. He's laughing. Okay, Vinny can't see you. You're lucky. You stay there and hide. Vinny, go play with your box. Go play with your box, baby. Guys, do you see this gangsta lean? She's so fun with the birds. Look at that lean. Another reason I accidentally turned it off is Cody was on my shoulder. I love you, Vinny. So yeah, just another crazy Sunday of dive bombing. Oh, are you traumatized? What a baby! Vinny! Uh-oh. Ah! He came out of nowhere! Oh my god! By the way, no harm came to Jersey if you heard her screaming. She just screams every time a bird flies. She gets really excited. They flock mate, so like they flock together. So, well, Jersey can't fly, but she gets excited when anyone flies. Okay, I think Vinny's actually looking for George. This is what I mean by he holds a grudge. By the way, this is just a bit of fun. Vinny's a really good bird. We're just playing around with him. You're good, you're good. Just an angry bird. Just an angry bird and a defeated human being. Okay, let's go put up flyers for Picasso.